how to delete a Facebook page from PC. From PC, how to delete Facebook page, not from mobile. So let's go and see how to do this. This is a page which I would like to delete. First of all, this is my account. I will go to the page from here or from the page, then select the page, and then select setting and privacy and setting, and here from the right select the access and control, and then from access and control select the delete page and then continue, and then here download information, no, continue, permanent delete page. Okay, this is the continue. He needs a password, so you will enter your password from here. This is the password. Okay, and then continue, and then confirm permanent page delete, continue, now you deleted the page. If you search here, you will not find this page. If this page is making some triples, you will not found these triples. Okay, so this is the way. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and reach and press like and write any question, and they will reply you as soon as possible.